At number 5, the Federal Capital Territory Administration has issued a 7-day ultimatum to business organizations operating in Maitama District, Abuja, to vacate and relocate to the Central Business District or risk being sealed. The order was given on Tuesday by the Acting Director, Department of Development Control, Garba Kwamko, when the department visited the popular Ghana Street in Maitama to sensitize business operators on the FCT original residential purposes. Kwamko, who directed the businesses to relocate to the Central Business District or Idu Industrial Estate as provided for in the FCT Master Plan, warned that their business premises would be sealed off at the expiration of the ultimatum. At number 4, the federal government has introduced a new temporary passport to replace the emergency travel certificate for security reasons. The temporary passport is a new type of travel document that will be issued to Nigerians at the embassies abroad for those wishing to return home but whose national passports are not available. The temporary passport was inaugurated by the Minister of Interior, Ogbeni Rauf Aregbesola, at the Nigeria Immigration Service Headquarters in Abuja on Tuesday. Note that the temporary passport is designed for a one-way travel to Nigeria only. At number 3, President Muhammadu Buhari will on Thursday inaugurate the 16 billion naira newly completed office complex of the Niger Delta Development Commission. The Minister of Niger Delta Affairs, Godswill Akpabio, announced this while speaking to journalists in Port Harcourt on Tuesday. Akpabio said although the building had been completed, he would still meet with the Federal Executive Council to approve a contract for it to be furnished. At number 2, the Nigerian Labour Congress has threatened to embark on a nationwide protest today, March 10th, over moves by the National Assembly to remove the national minimum wage from the exclusive to the concurrent legislative list. In a statement released on Tuesday, the group said the protest will begin from the Unity Fountain, Abuja, at 7:30 a.m. and from there, they would march to the National Assembly complex. At number 1, the 3 operatives of the Odua People's Congress who were detained by the Oyo State Police Command for arresting a notorious Fulani warlord, Iskilu Wakili, have been released on bail. It was gathered that the police released the OPC operatives on health grounds to seek medical attention on Tuesday. The coordinator of the Congress in Oyo State, Rotimi Olumo, disclosed this in an interview with Punch. He said the police released them on health condition. The 3 men are seriously ill and need urgent medical attention. Always remember to wear your mask, wash your hands and stay safe. That's all for now. See you next time on What's Happening.